Hey you guys, Jai Hind all of you. This is Amardeep and big welcome to all guys. Yes, and Today's time is 4th of May 2025. Yes, every day is going fast, guys. Not fast. Time is fixed and day is fixed. Matter. It is matter. We are where I am, where we. Yes, that is matter. That yes. So guys, without any wasting time, let's start our daily session. Yes, first of all, we're talking about international level. No bakwas, direct fact to fact bath. Yes. First of all, guys, let's relation between our international level. Whose relation? India's relation. Which country's relation? India's best relation. Basically, guys, not best in this time because international relation. Yes, international level. Uh, International relation not perfect good or particular countries. Yes, if you think USA our best friend. Yes, our country is like our best friend, unique friend USA. Then you wrong. Yes, definitely. International level. In international level, everything is possible in this time. Yes, definitely, guys. Also Russia, but in past time, I mean, in past view, our friend is Russia. Our friend Russia is friend, best friend. Yes, definitely, because he saved me from America. Yes, he saved me from America. 1917 around. Yes, 71. Yes, I think 1971, 1917 around that particular time. Yes, yes, guys. So remember that time. That time is basically very important. And guys, our border sharing country like China, that is not not friend. Yes, not friend, because guys, he he want to only itself, like selfish. Yes, selfish in the sense of like selfish. China is selfish, always selfish. First, China says, what is China strategy? Say about China strategy. I say about China strategy. Listen carefully. Yes, China first of all a country like Pakistan. Yes, for example, yes, China, China give more loans to Pakistan. China give more loans to Pakistan. China give loan. Whose country? पाकिस्तान. यस, पाकिस्तान को चाइना लोन दिया. पहले बहुत सारा लोन दे देता है. यस, मोर गिविंग, मोर देन capacity. Receiver capacity not enough, guys, and more giving that particular loans like money currency. And then China know that strategy, that strategy about what is strategy about this. Yes, then China says, return paisa, return my money. And his interest percentage interest percentage is too high, too very high, as compared to other countries. Yes, definitely. And china china know China definitely know, knowing thing this thing like Pakistan cannot be returned his loan. Yes, then China told Pakistan, China told him China told him, see, give me your land, like चाइना पाकिस्तान कॉरिडोर, कॉरिडोर है ना, बन रहा है, जो हमारा यहाँ पीओके से होते हुए जाता है, ग्वालियर का यहाँ तक नीचे तक आता है, अरेबियन सी तक. यस, पोर्ट कॉरिडोर, चाइना पीओके कॉरिडोर ऐसे करके जाता है. यस, डेफिनेटली. So that is China's strategy. Yes. And the USA, what is USA? USA strategy. USA, basically USA work on our defense equipment. Yes, defense equipment. He production his, I mean USA production, more production about defense goods, defense weapon. Yes. And he 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 said all countries like fighting country, Iran, Ukraine, yes, Israel, Gaza, Hamas war in this time, Ukraine, Russia war in this time. Yes, definitely. So this is particular connected. His businesses are connected to each other. Yes. And present time, everyone is know that, guys. Uh, America's president Donald Trump, not Joe Biden, uh, Donald Trump, he says more, every country is like nonsense, guys, nonsense. It means nonsense. Tariff, more highest tariff. India has 26% tariff. He says, in India giving me, India giving me. Trump says India giving me 26% tariff, reciprocal tariff. Yes, reciprocal tariff. And after some time, that 5 days time, I mean 7 day, after 7 day, then I take him from all double tariff, like this time half tariff. Yes. Then India give tariff on America 52%. Yes, 52% tariff. But in this time, I mean, no any country take response, but China take a proper war, like war. I am ready to fight us. Yes, come on, let's go fight with me. No any country, no any country adding this war. I am fully prepared. So let's start with war, this tariff war. I also ready to equipment war. I mean defense war, like war, heavy war. Yes. So guys, this is most fact. But in this time, guys, Trump's America's president, I mean USA president Trump's Donald Trump's says extend 90 days all around countries. Yes. And every country exception only China, every country eh, give me 10% only tariff. Yes, 10% is borderline in the sense of not below 10% tariff, reciprocal tariff. 10% every country necessary to give me. Yes, 10% is necessary for all countries whose trade in my country, in USA. Yes. Yes, guys, that is international level thoughts. Yes. And now let's come in our country. Yes, India. I talking about India in upcoming 3 minutes. Yes, guys, definitely. So guys, our trade in this time, our trade is more, I mean less trade, guys, less, because we are not I mean our citizens of India. Yes, basically 90%, around 90%, guys, non skilled person, non skilled labor. India have biggest percentage part of people, citizens, like non-skill, non-particular skill knowledge, and our government is not take action regarding this. If our government take action immediately, then after 5 year, 10 year, it may be changed. Yes, in this time, guys, China, all around country, all world, biggest producer and lowest price, biggest producer, lowest price, and his market around all around India, not only, guys, all around world. Yes, all around world, not only India. Yes, then in present time, guys, then Joe Biden, I mean, sorry, Donald Trump. Donald Trump, like, oh my God, what is going in this time? If China regular work, so if China regular work it like this, then after some time, China is more biggest powerful country as compared to India. India, not only India, I mean USA. Yes, or India is also right now developing part, and we are a we are a we are a we are a great India. Yes, after some time we definitely unique, in this time also unique, but after some time we are fully powerful and economic. We cover all international level, all, and number one India. Yes, definitely everyone is know that, guys. Okay guys, see you tomorrow on next video, and definitely we work deep for. Okay guys, see you tomorrow next video. Jai Hind all of you guys.